Hi everyone, my name is Chris and I'm from Need for Spread. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video, how to make money with binary options by copying free signals. And first thing first, let me tell you that hope you have a very good year this in 2020. Happy New Year, because it's the first time that I'm seeing you on this year. Sorry that I didn't post in December too many videos. I've been in a long vacation without no data connection, no voice connection, no nothing. I just charged my batteries on full and I want to rock this year, of course, with you. So let's jump into the video and see exactly how we can make money using binary options and using free signals. So I will tell you exactly what's all about. So let's jump into the video. Alright everyone, so for today's video I am using my binarycent broker. For those of you who don't know what binarycent is, binarycent is a broker account, it's a broker platform that let you trade binary options, but also CFD and the Forex, as you can see. But I'm using this platform to trade binary option, and also I'm using this platform with Beanbot Pro robot. As you can see, I started with $500 and now I have in my account 11,719, and I already made two withdrawals on $10,000. So if you're asking if this is a reliable platform, yes it is. They are paying, there's no problem with taking your money out, and you can use it with no problem. For those of you who never use it and you want to use it, I'll put the link below this video in the description area so you can join it. They have also a demo account in order to check it, to see if it's okay for you or not. Okay, so that being said, I will trade using binarycent and I will use turbo options. That means it will expire in 5 minutes, 1 minute. I have 2 minutes, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and until 30 minutes. From between 1 minute and 30 minutes expiry time. That means turbo. We have intraday, which are you can set from hour to hour the expiration time, and we have long term from day by day. But today we will using turbo because we want to make fast profits. Yeah, so let's set this on 5 minutes. No, I'll set it to 3 minutes. What we will use today for as free signals, it's a site, a website called investing.com. If you are a follower of my YouTube channel, you know what I'm talking about. If not, I will show you a little bit. From here we are from this site we are searching if there are free bull news when we want to make a trade, to place a trade, especially on Forex and crypto, on Forex, sorry, not crypto. So if you want to see this, we are going to tools, then the economic calendar, and here as you can see we have the economic calendar, and here are all the assets, and here we can see if we have a free bull news or not. Then as you can see here we had on 430 a GBP, a free bull on GBP, so you should avoid trading on GBP. But first thing first, go and here select your time zone. My time zone is GMT +2, so I will set it on GMT +2, you to show on your time zone. And this is not what I wanted to show you. I wanted to show you how we are using free signals from investing.com. And if we scroll down, we will see here on the right side we have some signals, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 signals. We will use these signals to trade. So we have euro USD. Let's go back to our binarycent broker account dashboard, and we said we have euro USD. It is a strong sell, so let's go. We are already here on euro USD. Who is this guy? And here it's a strong sell, and as you can see we have here an uptrend, and now it's going down, but we have to wait to go back again, and when we'll be back up we will make a trade. So until then we should, as you can see here, the amount is now on $10, but I will trade 100 and the payout will be 80. Now it's up, and now we make a put because it was up again, and now we'll be back, it'll go back, and we will make it will not be more than this line. Now it is out, it's not on the money because it's upper than this line. It should be below this line, but it will go because it was our signal from here. It's a strong sell, so it will go down for sure. Let's wait. We have a 3-minute chart. So here is the purchase line and here is the expiry line. So from here needs to be below this line. Okay, let's go and see the other. It's GBP USD. It is a strong sell. So we said that we are not trading GBP because GBP it's on with free bull news. As you can see here we have free bull news, so we will avoid trading GBP. Let's go and trade US dollar Japanese yen. It's a strong buy. Let's go to US dollar Japanese yen. Let's go find here US dollar Japanese yen. Here it is, US dollar Japanese yen. It's a strong buy. Let's have a look here. It's going down, and now it's the moment to make a call. That's a buy. So it was I trade $100, so the profit will be $70. And as you can see, this one it's in the money. This one euro USD, it was a loss, so the payout is 0, as you can see, but we will recover. Wait and see, stay here, don't go. Okay, let's go and see another one. US dollar Japanese yen, AUD USD. It's a strong sell. Let's go and see AUD USD. AUD USD. AUD USD. This is it. AUD USD. It's a strong sell. Yes, it's up here. Let's put here 1000 because I want to recover, and click on put. And we have it here, and the return will be 1800. Okay, let's go back. AUD USD, US dollar Canadian dollar. It's a strong buy. Let's go back to US dollar Canadian dollar. US dollar Canadian dollar. It is a strong buy. Let's put it on 500, and we have a call here because it's down here. US dollar Canadian dollar, and we have euro Japanese yen. It's a sell. Where is euro Japanese yen? This is a sell. Let's have a look. Yes, it's a sell. We leave it on 500. From here it's a sell. See, it is on uptrend and now it's going down. And we have euro Swiss franc, it's a sell also. Let's go back. Euro, where is it? Euro Swiss franc, it's a sell also. Yes, put, because as you can see it's here on up, but it will go down from here for sure, because this is a and as you can see it's down. And that's it. These are the trades for today, all in the money now. And let's wait and see what happened. We have one, we lost one, now we already, it's winning. It expires, it's expired one. Let's wait and see what's happening. Open, closed. So as you can see, we have 2 losing trades and 1 winning trade. And let's see that the other one. We have 3 more trades, 2 more trades, sorry. And we will see at the end how much profit or how much losses we have on this one. So the expiry time, it is on Euro Japanese yen, Euro Swiss franc. Let's see Euro Swiss franc. So it's above. Hopefully will go down here. It must go down because it cannot stay too much up here. It is a sell sentiment, as you can see. Yes, it's going down. It's down. It's below, it's in the money. And here, this is the line. You have to cross this line. Yes, it's in the money. As you can see, it's in the money. So let's have a look. Now we have $12,500. So we have a profit of, let's see, on closed. So we have, so 3 are out of the money and 2 are in the money. But this is the side, the order side is small. It's $100. So we have $200 plus $500 lost. It's $700, but we earn 1,800 plus, let me see, 1,800 plus 895 equals 2,695 minus 700. It's $1,995 profit for today. So you saw my strategy. First thing first, you go with a small amount. That depends on your account. If you are starting with $500, of course that you need to put here a smaller amount, very much smaller amount that this ones. But you try it with first you try that signals with small amounts. You can trade on binarycent starting with $1. That's very good because you can try and try, and that's trading, binary option trading. You have to try a lot to try all the signals and to see which are the best signals. This was an example with trying investing.com signals. So we have $2,000 profit for today in less than 10 minutes. How much it was? Just 10 minutes. So if you want to join binarycent, I'll put the link below this video in the description area. And also, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time I'm uploading a new video. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.